Ladies and gentlemen of the college, good morning. Welcome to assembly. I thought I'd do assembly outside for probably the first time ever. I'm outside just by the pitches and by the car park, just to let you see how quiet it is and how empty school is. As term begins, I encourage you to do your best to participate with the online school. Keep up to date with the activities as they come, and participate not just in your classes but also in that CCB online as we try and build a community in this peculiar time that we're in. The weather has been great. It's been good to be able to get outside, and I know that I'm very spoiled to be locked up in a place like this where my back garden is absolutely enormous. But sometimes I also have to think more broadly. I have to think a little bit about other. And so I'm going to give you some poetry this morning, which the English department will no doubt find hilarious. But here we are. This is from W.B. Yeats, and he says this: I will arise and go now, and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin build there, of clay and wattles make. 9 bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honey bee, and live alone in the bee loud glade. And I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the vales of morning where the cricket sings. There midnight's all a glimmer, and noon a purple glow, and evening full of the linnet's wings. I will arise and go now, for always night and day I hear lake water lapping with sounds by the shore. While I stand on the roadway or on the pavement's grey, I hear it in the deep heart's core. I stand here at this point because this is where the digger bees are, and it's something that we've only discovered in recent years, of just how much activity goes on via bees all around us in Campbell, and the digger bees are very, very particular little creatures, and I hope that you can see them again soon. I'm going to post a little video of them and of their activities, but it's fascinating to see the huge hive that's here, and sometimes we get ourselves so busy in the noise of the everyday life, and yet in the quiet we're able to see so much more. So I hope to see you again.